All right, here's example C. This one we have a word problem. It still has a little picture, but sometimes they won't. Mrs. Brown baked a circular birthday cake with a diameter of 12 inches. She wants to put red decorative icing around the outside edge of the cake. What is the measurement around the outside of the cake? Okay, so there's some important stuff here. First of all, they went ahead and told us that that is the diameter. You should know just by looking at the picture that all the way across is the diameter, but even if you forgot for a second, they tell you right there that it's the diameter. What is it that they're asking you to find, though? They don't come out and say that word. They are using some clue words. They want the outside edge, around the outside edge. Okay? The measurement around the outside. Whenever they are talking about the measurement around the outside edge of a circle, that is circumference. So, they didn't say circumference anywhere in the problem. They didn't ask what's the circumference. But you had to know that's what you're trying to find. Okay, so right here, step one, I still put the same steps so that we can, kind of get used to doing the same thing. What did they give us? The radius or the diameter? They gave us the diameter. Okay, it tells us right here and in the picture. So your diameter equals 12. Now we have to use the appropriate formula and solve. So we have two formulas. Circumference equals pi times diameter, or circumference equals 2 times pi times radius. Okay, which one are we going to use? Well, we have diameter. Are we going to use the formula that has radius? No, we're going to use the formula that has diameter. It's not hard to pick whenever you see what information you have. So, circumference equals pi times diameter. This time I'm going to use 3.14, and then over here I'm going to use 3. So for pi it's 3.14, and the diameter is 12. Okay, so I need to multiply those. 3.14 times 12. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Put a 0 here. 1 times 4 is 4, 1, and 3. Add it all up. 8, 6, 7, and 3. Okay. But we have two numbers behind the decimal in the problem, so 2 in your answer. So the circumference using 3.14 is 37.68 inches. But if you didn't want to do quite that much work, I'm not making you. You don't have to use 3.14. You could use 3. Circumference equals pi times diameter. You're still using the same formula. Okay, but pi, this time I'm going to use 3. And my diameter is still 12. So now, that's easy. It's just 3 times 12, which is 36. And again, see how close they are. 36 and 37.68. Okay. So I would take either one of those. Okay. Go ahead and do the your turn for this one.